Hey guys, this is lesson 2, experiment, how do electric charges interact. For this experiment you're going to need 2 balloons, string, tape, and wool cloth. Alright, let's get started over here. So what happens when you give something a charge? In this activity you will explore how objects with different charges behave. Step 1, blow up both balloons and tie a knot in each. Tie a length of string to each knot. Tape both strings to a table so that the balloons hang a few centimeters apart. Step 2, hold one balloon by the neck and rub it with a wool cloth. Gently release the balloon. Observe and record what happens. Step 3, run your hand over each balloon, then rub both balloons with a wool cloth. Release the balloons. Observe and record what happens. And then step 4, try rubbing the balloons with several other materials. Communicate with your classmates by discussing your observations. Okay, so that's what you're going to do for your experiment, but we have to fill out our essential question worksheet, how do electric charges interact, first before you begin. Okay, so we're going to first set our purpose. What do you think you will observe during this activity? Okay, so for this activity, I will observe how I will observe how differences in electric charges affect the behavior of objects. Okay, put that one for your first one. Okay, then we're going to think about the procedure. Why do you rub only one balloon in step 2? Rubbing only one balloon changes the charge on one balloon but not on the other one. Okay, get that adjusted there. Okay, and then the last one says, why do you rub both balloons in step 3? Okay, rubbing both balloons gives them both the same charge. Okay, then if we come back up here, why is this activity not an experiment? Okay, here we go. An experiment tests a hypothesis. Okay, but in this experiment, activity, we made observations without forming a hypothesis. Okay, so then this is spot right here on the bottom is where you're going to draw and label diagrams to show what happened during steps 2 and 3. So in those 2 boxes that we have here, just show that the balloons, what they did in step 2, and then show what the balloons did in step 3. Okay? Alright, sorry that was kind of all over the place there, but you kind of get the gist. Alright, so good luck with your experiment. When you are done with that, then make sure you do the questions on the back that go with the experiment. Alright, thanks.